Hey, buddy.
Hi, Dad.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. How was your day?
Good. It was a blast.
It was a blast. Cool, man. That's pretty awesome, Javon.
My friend gave me this.
He did?
She drew this for me.
Okay, cool, man. She drew for you? Oh, Javon, you need to buckle up, please, right now.
Okay. Oh. Thanks for reminding me.
Oh, yeah.
Stop, Mari. This is my backpack. My teacher gave me a book report because I did a good job.
That was nice.
Yes, it's on the front. It's yellow with a heart in the middle, and on the back it has some numbers and a blue heart with words inside the heart and a flag, and it's green.
Sweet.
Here's what it looks like.
Wow, look at that. So you had a pretty good day, huh?
Yes, I did. But I did not like the old food that I saved.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, for lunch.
Yeah, I bet.
I didn't know that you had my old lunch. But I did like the cookies. But I still like it. Because I don't want to hurt your feelings.
I didn't make it.
You didn't?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Where'd it come from?
Oh, it was that snack in my lunchbox. That lunch, it was old and it was from yesterday.
Because you were going to buy lunch.
Well, I can't buy lunch while I have my lunchbox.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I guess you're right.
Maybe you forgot.
Yeah, I didn't know that. I knew that you had my lunchbox, and I was like, oh yeah, what is Dad planning for today? Juice or anything? Some juice smells like juice to me. A little. It smells like juice a little to me. I love juice. But I still liked it that Dad. I was crying because I missed you at school.
Oh, I missed you too. Omari and I went to the observation deck after we picked up water.
After we picked up water?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, the airplane. Can we stay at the house?
Huh?
Can we stay at the house?
What you mean?
Like, after we get there?
Well, I have a workshop to go to, and you're gonna go see your cousins for a couple of hours.
Are we going to have a sleepover?
No, because everybody has school tomorrow.
Do you have to work?
Tomorrow, yeah, I gotta. Well, it's kind of like work tonight.
Is Mike going to watch us?
No, it's not. So you gotta stay at your cousin's for a little bit.
Oh. Well, I meant like in the morning.
No, in the morning you have school.
Oh, I have school in the morning. Yeah, so Mom's gonna be picking us up.
Yeah.
Yeah, in 2 weeks. No, it's only one more week with Dad.
One more day.
Yeah, one more day. I miss you, Dad, after one more day.
I miss you too.
because I didn't want any of you to leave.
Huh?
I was also crying because I didn't want any of you to leave.
Where were we going?
Oh, I just missed you so badly.
I missed you too.
Me too. One isn't even a long time. Well, 13, 15, 5 is.
13, 15, 5.
That's a long time.
Javon, what about your number?
My number is, well,
You said it.
5715.
Huh?
5715.
5715?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Okay.
And my number is a lot of numbers.
Oh. Like what?
Like 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 19, 23, 24, 16, 13, 23, 24, 25, 11, That's how numbers I can count. That's how numbers. I can count 51, 70, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, got that. And November. November is not a number. It's a week.
A month.
A month. It's a month. Hey, if you want let me say November and English. I mean and Spanish. Okay. Well, I know how to do this. November 20th. Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
can you play Lego Indiana Jones with me on the TV when we get to the house?
I don't have time to play games tonight.
You know?
I have to get ready.
Oh, I remember.
Hello? Hey, bro, what's going on? Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, I won't be able to do it tonight. Yeah, were you trying to do it tonight? Yeah.
Javon.
Yeah. It won't be until Wednesday night. I'm picking up the kids from school now. Well, Javon anyway. And then I have that. I told you. Well, I don't know if I sent you an email saying that I have the workshop tonight. Yeah, and that's all. 2 days. Yeah, I said Sunday and Monday. Yeah. and that's got me pretty tied up. Wednesday, no Wednesday. Okay, if you need anything emergency though, call me, okay? Yeah, alright. You too. Bye-bye.
Javon. I've got a headache right now, Amari. I don't really feel like talking. Alright, I'm okay. All I want to say is nice things. Daddy, I love you.
I love you too, Javon.
I miss you.
I miss you too, buddy.
Javon, I don't want to let you have a headache. Right now, it's getting a little worse because you're saying that. I really did like this, what Maya did for me. She did this. I told her my aim, and I didn't tell her to draw some hearts. She did it herself, and she drew herself.
That was nice of her.
She said she was about to draw me, but instead she wanted to draw her, so I could remember what she looks like. Can we hang this up in my room?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I love architects. Me too. I love coloring too. Do you, Daddy?
Yeah, I do.
Me too. I do not dislike coloring and drawing humans, hearts and shapes, cameras. I like to do rainbow, and I like to not draw anything. All I like to do is draw colors, and I draw it all over the paper. Sometimes at school, well, I haven't done that yet, and I want to do that after I go to school in the morning. And then after I get to school, after it's writing time, I could draw colors like that. So, I really do like lots of architects. Daddy, guess what? At my cousin's house, I'm a secret agent. At my cousin's house, and I'm only a secret agent. And I go in the room and I say, I want to go play, and anyone else is not in, and then I just play by myself, and then I go in to go be a secret agent.
That sounds like fun and adventurous.
Yes, I'm serious about that. I have secret powers too.
What can you do?
I can lift up strong, heavy houses.
Wow. When was the last time you did that?
Well, it started after I was outside by myself, without Amari, without Mommy, without Max, or without the dogs, outside at my mom's. And then, I lift up a house and then I put it down really gently. I I can also lift up the whole big universe.
Nice. I like that.
I can lift up a car too. Can you lift up Hulk? Yep. I can lift up a tree too. Can you lift up?
Okay, it's time to get out, guys.
Okay. Get my backpack.